So in order to tell what parts we need, we're going to go to Metra.com because they're the ones who make all the kits, the harnesses, antenna adapters, steering wheel controls. So we just plug in our car here and get parts. So this first kit you see is a double DIN uh, kit for the Honda Accord 2003 to 2007, and it has a climate controls built into it. This is definitely the more expensive option, but the cleanest and nicest looking option. This replaces the factory stereo on top, and it fits this size stereo, like a double DIN. Or it can also fit a single DIN stereo. It can do both. This is what a single DIN stereo looks like. There's only two sizes, single DIN and double DIN, when you buy a new stereo. This kit from Metra can do both, single and double, so you can get either one. Um, if you do buy this kit, though, you have to buy this add-on pocket for below, because it's saying that if you use the factory pocket, leave it in place, it's not going to close correctly once you change this kit, once you change it out to this kit. So you have to buy that also if you want it to work correctly. The kit here shows you how to prep it. You had to cut out a little section just below the stereo there. And here it's showing you that you can do a single DIN or a double DIN. That's what this kit assembly is showing you. You can do either or. So if you still want your steering wheel controls to work, the ones on your steering wheel, you're going to have to purchase a ASWC steering wheel control module from Axis Interface. And this unit is pre-wired for one, so it's pretty easy to plug it in and play. But without that ASWC control module, you're not going to retain your steering wheel controls. This is the pocket I was talking about that you should replace. It doesn't say you have to, but if you don't, the cover won't close correctly. So it's up to you what you want to do. After that climate control kit, they have a cheaper kit here. This kit only does double DIN stereos though. And the reason why it's cheaper is because as you notice, the climate controls aren't built into it. This replaces that pocket underneath the factory stereo. So essentially, you're going to have a stereo on top, the factory one, and then below you'll have your aftermarket one. It looks a little silly, but it's definitely a much cheaper option. This kit also comes with the wiring harness needed to install it. This next kit is just like the one before, except it's for a single DIN stereo only. It fits in that pocket below your factory stereo, but it's only for a single DIN. I'll have to check if this one comes with the wiring harness. Doesn't appear to, so I'll make sure to check that out for you guys. And last but not least, this is the ASWC from Axis Interface. What it does, it retains your steering wheel controls on your steering wheel. So if you have like a volume up, volume down, channel down, whatever it is, it's going to retain that for you. These work with name brand stereos. So if you have like a eBay Super China one, it's just not going to work with that. You're going to have to use like a Pioneer or Sony, Eclipse, Alpine. Basically, all your big name brands are going to work with this thermal control. I'll have all the links to these products in my description area and also in the comment section. It really helps me out if you guys purchase them from me. If you have any questions, comment below, and thank you for watching.